In today's video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to your Wix website step by step. This is a simple way to let visitors book appointments with you directly from your site. First off, you need to head over to Calendly's website. Calendly is a fantastic tool for scheduling appointments online, making it easier for your clients to book time with you directly through your website. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, look for the Login button, usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. If you already have a Calendly account, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. If not, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. This is your starting point for everything you can do with Calendly, from creating new event types to managing your existing appointments. Now, what you want to do is navigate to the Integrations and Apps section. To find it, look for the link or button labeled Integrations and Apps. It's often located in a menu or dropdown. This section is your gateway to connecting Calendly with other platforms, including your Wix website. After you've made your way to the Integrations page, it's time to find the right integration for Wix. Use the search bar or scroll through the available integrations until you find the one labeled Wix. Click on it to get more detailed information about this integration. Now that you're in the Wix Integration Details section, follow the prompts to start the integration process. You might need to log in to your Wix account or give Calendly the necessary permissions to connect to your site. Be sure to keep your Wix login details handy during this process. Once you've granted the required permissions and completed any necessary setup steps, Calendly will be integrated with your Wix site. This integration allows your website visitors to schedule appointments with you directly through your site, streamlining the process for both you and your clients. And that's it. You now have Calendly successfully added to your Wix website. This integration will make scheduling meetings much more efficient and can improve the overall experience for your clients by eliminating unnecessary back-and-forth emails. Remember, the key to making the most out of this feature is to keep your availability up to date in Calendly and to regularly check both your Wix and Calendly accounts for upcoming appointments. That's it for this tutorial. You can now connect Calendly to your Wix website and start accepting bookings easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more helpful tutorials.